Hi everyone, this is Robert Nicholson with LearningJack.com, and we're back for part 3 of managing a WordPress website. In this lesson we're going to learn how to add a page to the site and how to update the site navigation menu. Let's take a look at our sample site, avofthegiants.com. We'd like to add a page to the Favorites section. We want to add a page about the Founders Grove Loop Trail. So to do that, we're going to go into our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to Pages, Add New. And I have some information that I've typed up that I'm just going to paste in here. And I'm going to use the formatting toolbar to put a couple of things in bold. I want to set off this directions section. So I'll come up to the formatting toolbar and insert a horizontal line. Looks pretty good. Whoops, deleted that. I also want to link some of these descriptions here to other pages that are on the site. So you remember, to insert a link, we highlight the text and then we go up to the link tool. Now normally we would insert a URL here, but another thing that we can do is we can actually select an existing page on our site and it automatically inserts the URL. And then I'll click the blue button to add that link. And I also want to add a link here to another page that's on our site. Inserts the URL, click the blue button to add a link. And I want to put an image in this post. So we use the Add Media button. And I'm going to pick an image that's already in our media library. Click the blue button to insert it. And then click on the image and select the alignment that I want. Okay. I need to do a couple of other things before I save this page. Actually, just so we don't lose our work, I'll go ahead and click the blue button now to say Publish the page. And now everything has been saved, and I can continue doing some more work. So over here on the right-hand side, I see page attributes, and I want to say that this page has a parent page, Favorites. Now what this really does is when I go to all pages to see a list of the pages, this will make sure that this page appears under the Favorites page. So it's just a way of organizing our pages. Another thing I need to do is specify the template. Now, some sites only have one template. In other sites, the web designer has created multiple templates for different types of pages. So for this site, avofthegiants.com, we have a special template for favorites. So I'll go ahead and select that. Okay, we're almost done. There's one more thing I want to do. There are a lot of options here when I'm adding or editing a page. But believe it or not, there are more options that are hidden. So to see those options, I go up to the top and I select Screen Options. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick Discussion. And when I do that and scroll down, I see there's a new section here. And what I want to do is make sure that comments are not allowed. If I had clicked this, then on the page, site visitors would have an opportunity to add comments. And I don't want them to do that, so I'm going to make sure this is turned off. Okay, we're all done at this point. Let's go ahead and update so our changes are saved. Now, we've added a page. Let's see what that page looks like. Up here at the top, there's a link to view the page. And there it is. Looks pretty good. There's that horizontal rule that I inserted, the links that I added, the photo that I added. The problem is that this page isn't in the navigation menu yet. Now sometimes that's okay. You can create a page and not put it in your navigation menu, and then the only way to get to that page is with links from other pages. And sometimes that's what you want to do. You want to have like an additional information page where on one of your pages you might say click here for more info or related info and so forth. That's okay. But in this case, we want this page to appear in the favorites menu. So we're going to go back into WordPress, and we need to go to the menu section, and that's in an odd place. We have to go down to Appearance and pick Menus. And over here on the left-hand side, we see Pages, and we just created a page for the Founders Grove Loop Trail. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to say Add it to the menu. Now remember, nothing has been saved yet because we haven't clicked the blue button. But if we come over here to the left side of the page, the right side of the page, we see that new item, Founders Grove Loop Trail, and it's down at the bottom. Well, we can actually click on that, hold the mouse button down, and we can drag that item up to the Favorites menu. Okay. And now we click the blue button to save. We go back to our website. It's not in the Favorites menu, but if I refresh the page, I'm going to pick up that change that I just made. And now, Founders Grove Loop Trail appears in our Favorites menu. We can click it and go directly to that page. So, we've learned how to add a page. We've learned how to see a few additional options when we're looking at editing or adding a page. And we've learned how to put that page into the menu. Come back next time and we'll talk about some additional tricks.